Yo guys, welcome back. It's been a month since I uploaded a tutorial. Yeah, I know. Some of you are probably thinking, did bro forget how to make tutorials? But I am back. In today's video, I will show you how to make 3D space. And by 3D space, I mean this. Anyways, if you want this type of 3D space, open CapCut. You know how much I sacrificed? Scaling, open After Effects and add an adjustment layer. Now add the effect CC particle world. Drag and drop it onto your adjustment layer. Now we want 3D space, not this whatever this is. We want now go to the producer and set the radius X, Y, and Z to 2. Now go to the physics and set the value of velocity 0 and gravity 0. Okay, now go to the particle. Uh, Change the particle type to faded sphere. Now change the color, the birth color and that color to white. If you want the FOV or the depth increased, so go to the extra effect camera and FOV to 120 or 150. According now add deep glow. Its value to 0.10. Exposure to 0.10. Now if you want to change the color, add tritone and change the highlight according to the type of edit you are making. And that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. If it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. I still got a few exams left, but once they are done, I will be back with more tutorials and edits. Make sure take care. I see you guys in the next one. Peace.